In this fucking video, I will show you how you can create MetaMask account by extension. So you need to go your Play Store and search here fucking Kiwi browser. So without Kiwi browser, you never ever use MetaMask on your mobile. So you search on fucking Kiwi browser and open that. And when you open that, you need to go fucking search bar, and here you can search MetaMask extension. Follow me and you can able to create MetaMask, you can able to get extension MetaMask. So MetaMask, search that on search bar, click there. So MetaMask extension, act samely search something like that I have searched. So and click on right below option search, and here first option you need to see that I will show you. So here is, you need to click on this option and go Chrome Web Store. So here you just you just add your MetaMask on extension. So you have to Chrome right middle option, click on there and click on OK. So it's taking some time, therefore I need to break. Okay, I'm coming quickly. So when you have already installed on your Chrome extension on your Q browser, if you're in front of you have this screen, so click on I agree MetaMask there and create if you haven't account. So you just, if you haven't any account, you just create a new account, click on there, and if you have account improved and existing wallet, you have a phrase already, you just put on phrase and log in your MetaMask. So today I'm going to share with you create a new wallet for beginner. So create a new wallet, click on there and scroll here and click on I agree, and you need to put your password. What would be your password? So I just show you simple how it would be, and you just need to be a strong password, something I have seen you, something like that. So you need to put something like that. It's weak password, it's not good at all. So you need to, if you, yeah, it's a keyboard option, I have a password option here. Okay, it's not good at all, so I'm putting my password, a strong password, randomly I have put here. If you have a strong password, you put there. It's not my password, I'm just randomly putting here. So I don't know, I forget this quickly because it's not my password. So I'm just showing you how you can put password. So when you have already done that, create a new wallet, click on there, and second option, secure wallet. So remind me later, not recommend, skip account security, you can skip that, or it's would be good if you security my wallet recommended, if you recommend that. So click on recommend, secure my wallet recommend here, and here is your fares, 12 fares, 12 word that your all of your account, if you lose this word, you lose your account for forever. So therefore you need to click on reveal secret recovery first, click on there, and here is a 12th word, you can see, I don't know, because MetaMask sometimes not allow screen share here. So if you, yeah, you need to note this word for security purpose of your account. So I'm click on copy to clipboard, and I put this word on my notepad here. So I'm putting here my word. So here I'm coming back on my MetaMask, next option I click. So here is a your exam, number 3, what is that? So number 3 is churn, 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 churn. Number 4, what would be, or should I say churn depth? So you need to put something like that, depth. And Number 8 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ticket. So you need to put here ticket. You just match that yourself. You can do that. I believe that. So click on confirm and got it. So you have created your account, you have used that on your MetaMask. So whatever purpose, airdrop purpose and transaction token, cryptocurrency, so whatever purpose you can use that. It's easy to do, it's straightforward, you can do that yourself. So here is your all of option here: buy, send, swipe, brace, portfolios. Yeah, it's easy to do. If you want to specific video, you can comment on my video, so it would be good for me for creating video. If you have any specific question, you can ask me.